fully automatic folding stitcher and gluing machine. The max speed of stitching is 1200 nails/min, the gluing speed is 150 m/min, greatly improves the production efficiency. The whole machine is controlled by PLC and touchscreen and can be operated by buttons. Automatic paper feeding, automatic gluing and stitching, automatic folding / correction / counting / stacking. The main drive adopts synchronous belt wheel type to ensure stable operation and accurate transmission. The main motor adopts dual frequency control, stable and power saving. The guide plates of each part are adjusted by the bar motor, accurate and easy to adjust. Adopting suction belt feeding mode, simple structure, fast speed, and accurate paper feeding. The paste tube can be adjusted arbitrarily to complete the glue application requirements of various cartons. With secondary correction function eliminating the size of the mouth and reducing the scrap rate. With differential speed correction, the scissors difference are completely eliminated and the folding is more precise. The delivery and shaping department automatically counts, shapes, stacks, and outputs the whole stacks. The pressure of the counting section is adjusted with the carton type and adopting photoelectric counter arbitrarily count. All the unadjusted parts are equipped with a dial indicator for easy operation. It can be automatically match strapping machine, convenient and fast, save labor and time.